Welcome back to this tutorial series on building framework templates that consistently converts so that designers like yourself and I can increase our earnings. In this video, we'll look at how you can use the help of AI tools to build your framework templates. So you may be a designer who's been working in a particular industry, but you want to branch out of it with your framework templates. We mentioned in an earlier video that building a template in the industry you're knowledgeable in is key in creating a successful template that sells. But you're most likely not knowledgeable in all industries, and that's the same with me. When creating this template for recruitment agencies, I wasn't sure what pages I should build, the structure for each page, or even the copy to write in it. Luckily for you and I, we don't need to spend hours researching or even talking to our target audience to get a sense of what to build. Instead, we can use AI. Here we're inside one of the most popular AI tools out there, ChatGPT. We're going to use ChatGPT to give us some ideas for some copy. Let's start with the site description. So for my prompt, I'll write, give me a site description for a framer template, Talentify, a recruitment agency for tech remote roles only. Let's see what it gives. So ChatGPT has given us a response, and it's not bad. It's definitely giving me some ideas of what to write, but it's too long. I'm actually going to give it an example of a previous template site description that I would like it to match with. Try again and use this description as a reference sample. Just going to paste it in. So ChatGPT has now given a response that's shorter and more to the point, something I can definitely play along with. Let's see what else we can use the AI to help us with. So now I want an idea of what kind of pages I should build for this template. So let's ask ChatGPT. Give me page names that should be on this website template. Great. So ChatGPT has come back to us with some example pages. There are a few here that I will definitely put in, such as the home and about us page. And there are even some that I wouldn't even thought putting in before. So for example, the for candidates page seems promising, but there are definitely some that I wouldn't consider putting in, such as the success stories page. So I'll just take it as I go here. So yeah, you can see if you use the right prompts, you can get the structure and the content for the pages within minutes. Framer has their built-in AI text rewriter, which is extremely helpful to quickly improve your copy without ever leaving the platform. Let's jump back into our example template. Let's look at how Framer AI can help us rewrite this headline. To do so, click on the desired text, and next to it comes this icon. Click on it. Framer's AI has given us a different version for this copy, and you can keep asking it to give us different options by clicking on the icon again. If you prefer the previous one, simply press undo. But it doesn't have to stop there. You can do the exact same for your images. You can see the images on these blog articles have a similar vibe and feel, and that was intentional. Now, instead of sourcing each individual image online, we can use AI. Let's go through an example. Let's change this first image here. Now, because it's part of the CMS collection, we're going to have to go to our CMS view. Click on the first item, click on image, and head to plugins. I'm going to use Visual Electric here. And here on search, I can add in my prompt. A person working on the home office desk with the headphones on. The lighting is dark with subtle, soft lights coming from a lamp. Let's click on the Thunderbolt. You can see the tool has generated two images based on our prompt. I quite like the first one, so let's select it. That's been added. We can double check once we go back. And there you go. And there you have it. You can use the help of AI to build your templates faster. AI is growing rapidly, and I'm excited to see how the technology develops for us designers to use in our process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.